Phoenix versus Titan Ultra. What a start para sa Phoenix hitting this outside shot from Brian Santos. Pero yung Titan is merong glimpse kung sino yung mag-show off in this game. First is yung open floater ni The Beast. Tapos bumirada sa labas si Aris Dionisio for the 3-point shot. It's been a good offensive showing for both teams sa opening frame. Halos lahat ng mga creation is pumapasok. Nothing too flashy kasi most of the time, it's not from their set. It's just the talent is showing. Calvin Abueva and Aris Dionisio tuloy pa rin sa pagratsyada. Samantalang si Ken Taffen at Jason Perkins naman yung sa kabilang banda. Lamang ang Fuel Masters, 32-27 after the first quarter. Sa second period is naging battle naman ng outside shooting. Sinimulan ni Franyu and then si Jason Perkins naman for Phoenix. Tapos si Balanza naman. As in kahit sino, parang pumapasok talaga ang luwag ng basket sa first half. This game is fun to watch and honestly, lalo kung ganito yung offensive showing ng both teams. Alam nating magkakaroon ng down the wire situation eh. Tapos ang first half for Phoenix, 60-56. In the third period, control pa rin ng Phoenix yung game, courtesy of Jason Perkins. Siya yung naging sandalan ng Fuel Masters. Pero hindi mapigilan ng Phoenix yung early attacks ng Titan. As in, pagkuha pa lang ng bola, they just want to attack and magkaroon ng speed advantage. Kaya nga, sobrang dikit pa rin ng laban. Lamang pa rin ng Phoenix after 3, 91-86. Pero sa fourth quarter, Dionisio happens. Pwede nating i-debate na mas panalo yung Titan Ultra sa trade kung ganito ba naman yung pinakita. Hitting big shots with 21 points in total. Pero the one who lifts the Titan on top is Calvin Abueva, doing Calvin Abueva things. Offensive board and then the clean up. 35 points and 17 big rebounds for the Beast. Panalo ang Titan 127-119. At ang pag-asa nila sa playoffs is buhay pa. Ang kailangan na lang is magdasal sila na matalo ng rain or shine yung Ginebra sa Bahrain, and then pag uwi, saktong sila yung last game, Ginebra versus Titan, para parang magiging battle for number 8 if matalo ng rain or shine. So ayun, yun yung wish ng mga Titan Ultra fans. The second game, what a matchup. Converge versus Meralco. And mapapansin natin, nagbalik na si Arana and nasa starting lineup si Winston. And siya agad yung umatake for Converge para ba-feel natin yung kanyang presence na deserve niya tong role. Pero at ease ako sa take ko na much better na being 6-man siya. Lalo pag dumating si Dave Ildefonso. Going back in the game, maagang bunyag ang ginawa ni Chris Newsome kay Justin Baltasar. Takes the ball then slams it for the poster. Whew, grabe. What the is this 2017 Newsome? And here lalabas na yung problem having Winston sa starting lineup. Yung perimeter defense. Maraming hater si Rakal, pero what he brings is yung defense. Dito nga madali lang nilaro ni CJ and going for the easy 2 points. Hanggang sa uminat na si Cancino, scoring in the fast break and then hitting this outside shot from the corner. 12 points in the first 7 minutes, and we need to talk louder about his case for the best player of the conference. As in, the media should be the one na responsible sa ganito. We need the hype. Meralco destroyed Converge in the opening frame. Lousy defense, 33-7. In the second period, Converge slightly get him back in the ball game. Nababa pa nila sa 16 points, pero when CJ comes back, hitting this 3-point shot, bumalik na naman yung momentum sa Meralco. And to end the quarter, yung effort niya with this one is superb. 55-32 at the half for Meralco. Sa endgame, masyado nang malaki yung napundar ng Meralco, which kahit anong gawing run ng Converge is madali lang nababawi ng balls. Kasi naman, if mga ganitong opponent, yung margin for error should be limited kasi established team na to and they work for it for a long period of time. Yung concern ko pa rin for Converge is, ganun pa rin naman from the last game, is yung usage ng players. Tingnan nyo dito, the game is over, tas grabe pa rin yung gamit kay Juan, leading to an injury. Sana lang hindi malala kasi pagsisisihan na naman nila yan. And ganun pa rin every loss, yung kanilang man rotation. Huwag nilang gayahin yung formula ng SMB Det 5 na babad system kasi iba yon. 105-84 panalo ang Meralco.